We need prayers for our country.
Yes.
In about a week's time, we'll be going into general elections, and there's a lot of tension. There's a lot of tension, and because the two contestant parliamentary candidates, presidential candidates, each has been a one-term president, and they are both now struggling to get a second term again. That makes it quite tense. So we need prayers for peace to reign in our country.
Oh, but according to the constitution, do they have the right to stand again for the election or not?
Yes, you have the right to stand twice. 4 terms, that is 4 years for one term, that is 8 years in all. After that, you cannot stand elections again as president of Ghana.
Okay. If the present government has done well for the country, for the people of the country, then they will win. Otherwise, I pray that some other people come and take the government who are helpful and useful for the country and work for the country honestly and sincerely. Right? Inshallah.
We are very, very grateful. We are very, very grateful, and Jazakallah Ahsan al-Jaza.
Okay. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.